Hello, for our flan caramel we need 250 milliliters milk, 35 gram of white sugar, 2 eggs, and 1 vanilla. So you can begin with cutting the vanilla. To you grate it, you put all these little stuffs inside your pan. You know, you'll see like I do, because the grains give the taste. But you can put the rest, because so you got all the taste of the vanilla. You put all in your pan, and then you will add milk and sugar inside. So milk, sugar, and you make it boil. During that time, you can break your eggs and you can whip them. Okay, you can put some water in your oven, because we'll bake it in bain-marie, we call. So, and when your milk is boiling, you can add it to your egg while whipping, little by little. Okay, you got it. Now you just have to put it in the small pans for the oven. I made for 2 because we are only 2 to eat dessert tonight. Okay then. Then you can put the caramel inside it. The recipe for my caramel will come soon on my blog and on YouTube. It's easy to do the caramel, you will see. So you'll just have now to put it in the oven, in the water, and it takes 30 minutes at 150 grades, and then you just have to let it cool. Eat. Bye bye.